Hi, in this lecture, I'm going to teach you if-else statements. Using condition operators, we'll try to discuss more and more. Why we require to use if-else and what is the use and how it will help in our programming. It's very simple. If any scenario when we are going to discussing and dealing with, if it is true, we'll go to execute we'll go to do this. If it is not, we'll go and we'll do this. This scenario type of examples and conversation how we are talk similar way using if-else statements we'll write the program. If the condition is true, we'll be going to execute this particular block of statements. If condition is false, it will be going to be execute some other statements. If we want to in between, if we want to again we need to verify something else, what it will be happens. Yes, there is a possible if again we are going to compare with one more parameters called elif and we'll do the things. Alright, so we'll see in a live scenario and live example over here and I'll explain you. See, I'm going to explain and the information in real-time concept of a scenario. Like I'm taking as a temperature as a variable. I'm taking some values I'm going to assign here. With this temperature value, I'll check with that if it is a below 30 or 35, I'll say that it's in a cool day, like a normal day. I'll specify it. And if it is the above 40 or 45 degrees of Celsius, I'll say that it's a hot day, I'll tell. And even if it is not matching to these levels, what I can specify like else part, I'll write like it's a normal day, enjoy the day. So based on the scenario, I'm going to write a simple program for you to understand in using if-else statements. Like see here, the if-else statements, the program I'm taking as integer as in a variable, temperature, temp as I'm taking a variable, and I'm assigning some constant like a standard value of 30 degrees of Celsius. Temperature value. All right, now see here, I'm writing if using if statement, how I'm writing the basic scenario, how it would be if to be verified like a condition, the basic syntax, open and end braces, statement to be right here. What is the statement to be execute? We have to write here, and else part again open and end braces we have to write, and based on the above a statement what to be execute here will be right. This way we'll develop like if else statements. So if it is true, it will be execute these statements. If it is false, it will be automatically execute the else part. The both scenarios, either true or false only will go. If we want to, it is false, and if we want to check with the one more condition, so we'll add here like elif and we'll put the condition over here, and again here it will be the else part would be here. That's it. This way we'll go and extend the program so on. So we'll see how it is going to be executing. A few steps over here. Excuse me. See here what how I am comparing with the temperature value with my using the comparative operator over here. Is a temp is less than 35 temp. The variable which I am used here is less than is around 35. What it will do? Spaces are not need. If it is given, there is no problem. What I am saying, like if it is temperature is low, I'm printing a statement like it's a normal day. CW I'll write here. Like any statement you can write here. Say normal day. It's a normal day. And we can say that drink normal quantity of water. Drink regular water. All right. This statements, if it is true, this condition, if it is true, less than 35 means it's a normal day it will print, and based on the temperature value, and it will be information it is passing like drink regular water only. So else what I am saying that like console dot write line of colon, sorry, it's a jumped. Yeah, it's say a lovely day. Just any information you may place here. Enjoy a great day. A great day. You can put over here. Yeah. See, if I run this, what we are getting? Save and run. See, the temperature we have assigned like below 30 only. So we'll get it's a normal day and drink regular water itself. Wow, it's a normal day and drink regular water we have getting. So if I am changing a value like a temp value into the like around 30 or 40, yeah, execute. What we will see, the condition is false, so we are getting like enjoy a great day. So it's not a enjoy a great day. If it is a more than 35 means it's a hot day. There we have to check it. This condition is going to be verifying here. If it is true, this particular block of code is going to be executing. And if it is false, what is happening? It's automatically going to the else part and it is going to be executing this line of statement. Enjoy a great day. So what we need to do, if it is above 35 and it's something like we have to cross check the limitation of temperature, and we need to put one more condition over here. And above 35 and below 45 we have to put one more condition, means we can choose here like else if open and close parenthesis and take this braces. Yeah, what we need to write here like something else if means like yes, temperature is less than 45. Let me declare over here. Yeah, temperature if it is in above 35 and below 45 it will be true. See, and I want to print like yeah, it's a hot day, it's a hot day as per Indian standards I'm giving here, and drink plenty of water. It's a hot day and you have to take plenty of water. Earlier what we have seen like directly enjoy a great day. So it's not. So we'll see now, execute. In between we are constructed one more if else statement. So we are getting like, see here, it's a hot day, drink plenty of water. How we require to assign and prepare a program lines like statements. We can use these if else statements and using the conditions to be satisfied. Which condition is going to be satisfying, based on the condition it is going to be execute the lines. See the temperature value, if I change it here it will be goes on accordingly. The default also we can call it as we can simply say that it's a default statement. If it is false and if it is false we'll get this statement. How beauty it is. Similarly, if you want to put one more condition, means you can extend the program by making if elif condition over here and making the else part as a default. You can. This is the way like we can develop like if else statements very easily. How the sequence of it is. How the sequence of it is means we are writing like something, we are declared a variable and we are assigned some value over here. And it may be like it's not in a static over here. We can make it as in a custom like I can write like CW of like a console dot read line also you can. Yeah, see read line, and it will throw you some error. Why? Because it's required like a convert. Yeah, I'll tell you, just wait. We are taking like a string variable, no, so convert dot to int 32. Yeah, making this variable into integer. Like we are reading from the lines means it will be readed by string variable and it is assigned, and we are using integer as a variable, no, so it is. So if I am executing, we are getting as an output here. Let's check. It should ask something. Have we written anything? No. So we have to write something. I'm sorry. Yeah, console.write line, enter temperature value here. Okay, so by pressing F5, it will be asked a line. Yeah, enter a temperature value. So what is the temperature value I want to enter over here? Like around 30. See, it's a normal day, drink regular water. Within the 30, we are getting like these statements. If I'm entering like 30 or 40, let's see. Just go to run and check it. Yeah, enter the value is 40. See, it's a hot day and drink plenty of water. How simple it is. By reading these things, we are going to directly converting into the as a variable, and we are going to comparing with this variable value is like a 35 or 45 string variables we have given. Also we can give like one more variable here. It's very simple. Like I can say that it's a int integer with the val, and the val I am assigning like a 35. So terminate. On every line you should understand like this terminate is there. So this val I can easily compare with this. No worry. So there is no static value. It's not like that. Whatever you are comparing with two variables it might be value or it might be variables. So the same data type it would be give you an accurate result set. So if I am comparing with this 35 val as an attempt to temperature to val, yes, it will be considered and treated as 35. And also similarly, you can take as an input also, user inputs. As pure dynamic way you are going to defining your program. So most of the way you try to prepare these type of examples, and you will be like having a command how to deal with if else conditions. I hope you enjoyed a lot this session, and we'll meet on next session. Thank you.